Hello everyone. This video is about understanding the role of stress in temporomandibular disorders. What is stress? Stress is a non-specific response of the body to any demand made upon it. Now, stressors can be good or bad. So, a lion chasing you is a stress, and an incomplete homework of your child is also a stress. Traveling to a new place and packing for it is also a stress. Whether it is something you are excited about or depressed about, the stressors are the same for the human body. So the response to any of these stressors is the same by the human body. So what exactly does stress do? The stress activates your sympathetic nervous system and upregulates your autonomic nervous system. Now, all of us know that the sympathetic nervous system is designed to protect us and to help us survive. It is designed to initiate a fight or flight response. So the blood flow starts increasing to your peripheries, to your skeletal muscles, to your heart, and to your lungs for you to be able to fight the situation. At the same time, the blood supply to your organs like the intestine, the masticatory muscles is reduced. This makes the masticatory muscles more susceptible to fatigue. A decrease in blood supply leads to a slower clearance of metabolites of activity of masticatory muscles. An increase in stress also increases the resting tone of the muscles of mastication and the head and neck. An increase in tone of the masticatory muscles leads to a difficulty in using them. It also makes them more susceptible to fatigue, and it causes protective co-contraction. That is, when you try to open your mouth feels a distinct resistance in doing the job. A chronic upregulation of the autonomic nervous system leads to a decreased immune response. It makes you more susceptible to diseases and it makes you less adaptable. A decrease in adaptability may make normal stressors act more heavily on you. An increase in sympathetic activity also leads to an increase in parafunctional activities. That is, it increases clenching and bruxing. Increased stress is also associated with a number of psychological or psychosocial disorders like depression, obsessive compulsive disorders, or bipolar disorders. When this stress is released internally, it leads to development of diseases like irritable bowel syndrome, asthma, hypertension, a few cardiac arrhythmias, and increase in the resting tone of muscles. All these mechanisms make it very difficult for the patient to adapt. So stress may be a causative agent in temporomandibular disorders all on its own, or it may be a very important contributing or a perpetuating factor. So if you suffer from stress and temporomandibular disorders, try controlling stress. It will get down your symptoms very quickly.